Hey guys, so let's talk about fire alarm. So right now I am on the second floor and this is the main room, the fire room for the fire alarm system for this entire floor. Each floor has one of these. All of the branch lines come out of this main cabinet and go off everywhere else in the floor. And then this connects to the third floor, down to the first floor, and eventually down into the basement, which is where the main fire control room is. So we're right here. This is the second floor fire room, and you can see this FATC, these 3 BPSs, and then these CCs and CRs. The BPSs are numbered 5 through 7. So what does that mean? This is BPS 5, 6, and 7. BPS stands for Booster Power Supply. The FATC is this Fire Alarm Terminal Cabinet. So everything comes to this cabinet, and as you can see, branches off from there across the rest of the floor. So this is the single line diagram, and it can get quite overwhelming. But what it's basically showing is what's coming out of each power supply, what's connected to there, what's further down the line, and where's the end of the line. So you can see this BPS number 5, 6, and 7. You can see what comes off of each one and where the end of the line is. You can just see this EOL, end of the line. So these are not tied to rooms. These are tied to individual devices. And let me show you. So again, this is the room we're in, right? So this device, SE2-3, HB2-3, that's this line and the devices that are on it. So on this single line, you can see it. You can see it's a horn strobe, SE2-3, HB2-3. If you follow the line, it is coming out of booster supply number 6. And there's that strobe and horn right there coming out of the wall. This is a smoke detector. This is just a strobe. How do I know what all these things are? There's a legend. Let me show you. So fire alarm control cabinet, this is the main cabinet down in the basement. FATC, this is the fire alarm terminal cabinet, as you can see. Here's the BPS, booster power supply. Smoke detector. This is a speaker strobe that's coming out of the wall. See the little thing off to the left? And one that's just in the ceiling, it just has this symbol. This is just a speaker with no strobe. So yeah. So fire alarm is almost always part of the electrician's scope. He will hire out another subcontractor or make it a second tier sub to do the work for him instead of them doing it directly. Fire sprinkler systems, though, that is a totally different sub altogether. So the fire alarm and the fire sprinkler, they work together even though they're 2 different subcontractors completely. But yeah, cool, huh?